All right, guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly lifestyle resource for all things Vegas. I'll explain the echo sound here in a second, but before we get started, if you're new, please subscribe, take a look around. All we do is bring you Vegas, room reviews, hotel reviews, restaurants, a pinch of gambling, but we're not a gambling channel. Everything else having to do with Vegas, even some family-friendly stuff too. So check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. It's midweek, so we were able to get 2 complimentary nights in this room. And I'm gonna give you a heads up. This is an older room, but we've never stayed in this room type before, and we wanted to check it out. And I'll tell you why. So right here, we're in the entry, and it's really kind of like, I don't know what they're trying to do here, because it's just like a box here, and you'll see more when we go into the room. So you're in this boxy space over here, and then to get into the room, you have to come through this little hallway with nothing on the walls. I guess the iconic pink that the Flamingo is known for with the white opposite it. So I don't know, I think it could use a little bit of art. So when you first come into this room, it's actually a pretty big room. This is a Premium 1 King. It doesn't say much more than that. You really just have to look at the pictures, because we actually just stayed at a Premium 1 King and it was completely different than this one is right here. I'll show you some of the details. So right when you come in to your left, you've got your closet over here. And that's fine. Decent sized closet with your safe. Yeah, okay. Yeah, all right. There's a light in here somewhere? I think there's supposed to be a light in here. Maybe it's not working. So then you got this big mirror over here next to the closet, which makes sense, right? Because you get dressed, check out what you look like, right? And then you've got this long counter over here, and like the smallest TV in town for this big room. So you got your counter, you got some drawers over here, you got a free coffee. So you got free coffee there, and it looks like a pretty old Keurig, but you know what? At least they give you something. You're not getting a lot of free stuff here in Vegas lately. Got some more drawers over here. Complimentary refrigerator. That is always a nice bonus, because if you're gonna be here for a couple days, you're probably gonna have leftovers. If you're driving in, if you're local like we are, we save our leftovers and we take them home. Now let's look at this big, ugly brown couch. This is actually a pullout. That's why we wanted to stay in this room. Not because we have people coming over or we expect to bring anybody up to the room or invite anybody. I've never seen a pullout couch in a hotel room here in Vegas before on the Strip. I'm sure off Strip they probably have more in types for bigger families. I've never seen one on the Strip, so I needed to see this in person, and this thing is worn out. You know what? It's actually pretty comfortable. Look at this tacky. Like, is this from when they first opened? So that's what this looks like. Let's see. Yep, here's the pullout right there. Right there, you can pull this baby out. So I guess if you're coming with, a bigger group, this here, you could sleep 5 comfortably. Because you've got this one here, you could put 2-3 people. Actually, you could probably put 6-7 people in this room. 2-3 people on this guy. Got a chase over there that somebody can sleep on, and then you've got this giant king-size bed. So as we get over there, we have to talk about this view. This is probably the best view that we've ever had at Flamingo. Let's check it out. You got Caesar's Palace right across the street, Bellagio and Bellagio fountains to the left, and then if you swing around to the right, you've got Mirage over there. And actually, you probably can see what's going on at Omnia nightclub once the sun goes down. All right, so let's check out the bedroom area, even though there's no real separation here. And, we're gonna have to talk about that TV. I'm gonna have to email somebody, because look how far away the bed is from the TV over there. So right at the foot of the bed, you've got this big, I guess it's like a chase. A chase only has one side though. If you guys know what's the name of this type of furniture, please drop it in the comments. And then you've got this nice big bed. with a couple nightstands. This is how you can tell this room is old. Not just that old brown couch, but look at this. This is worn out. But you know what? It's actually not terrible. What is this? It's like a secret drawer or something?
It's like a table.
I guess he just put stuff there. All right. Random drawers over there. This thing looks nice and comfortable. I love the lights up top. It's so tacky and so it's so tacky and it's so Flamingo, because we know Flamingo is tacky. We absolutely love it. This is probably our favorite property on the entire strip. We stay here all the time, and I love that it's tacky and old. Look back there. And then on the other side, you've got another nightstand that's gonna take us into the bathroom. Now this is a kind of a weird bathroom. Again, we've never stayed in this room type before, so I've obviously never seen this type of bathroom. This is kind of funky though. I think you're gonna like it. Right when you come in, you've got two sinks. One on the left side of the door, and then one on the right side of the door. And then when you come in, you just have kind of this big space over here, which I just don't understand why, but I'm not an architect, so any of you are architects, let me know. Now, some of the older rooms, they have a tub and a shower. This one does not have a tub. It just has this big shower with a bench, so you can actually just sit in there and steam. I'm gonna be in there later. Right next to the shower and one of the sinks, you've got the toilet area, which I think, I'm sorry, it is funny. It's just weird. First of all, there's no door, but there's a doorway. You can see this is a doorway, right? And you've just got this big space. So I thought that maybe it was accessible because it's so big, but there are no bars on the wall, so it's not accessible. It's just a big toilet area. Check this out. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this one. Again, this is room 22090 with a strip view. And online, it just says a premium 1 king. So this one does say that there's a pull-out couch and there are some pictures of the room, but it's just a premium 1 king. It's not a different room type. The other room that we did, and I'll put the link, the other premium 1 king, it's just a premium 1 king as well, but you can see that it's very different. The link is in the description below if you want to see that one. Thanks so much for checking out this video right here. Again, if you're new, thank you so much. Welcome to Ninth Island Connection. Go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. You will not be disappointed if you're just joining our channel. Check out the description so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And of course, check out our other social media. We post a lot more on our Instagram, our TikTok, because it's faster. So we do a lot of shorts, we do a lot of stories daily, a couple times per day while we're here in Vegas. So go ahead and subscribe. Again, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, we're Ninth Island Connection. Check us out there. And we go live every single Wednesday. What do we go live for? To bring you an update on everything going on in Vegas. So we go live on Wednesday. We let you know what's going on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday if it's a long weekend. And we're talking traffic, we're talking weather, construction, events in town, things that you need to check out so that you can have the best possible experience while you're here in Vegas. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.